in some part of Mexico. Oh, great, not these two again. Wait a minute, I know you. You're that yellow version of Jasper who tried to impersonate him. Yep, that's me. Are you guys out to attack us as per usual? Yeah, pretty much. Who are these two, Frob and Jasper? Bagi, these are our evil clones, Borf and Repsaj. Borf being the orange frog and Repsaj being the yellow anteater. Wait a sec, doesn't that make them your biological siblings? Probably. Now let's see what's going on with Clyde the capybara. Yo, Clyde, what up? Hey there, Yan. How you doing? Absolutely great.